So a system of linear equations, it just means plural. It means two. So two or more